guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Mascara Monday. And if you guys see anything weird with my foundation, yes, it's like too orangey or yellowy for me. I was trying out some products from Rare Beauty. So yeah, it looks weird, but we have to ride with it. All right, so I am going to be trying today the Flawless Me Cosmetics HD Lashes. And this is a two-step mascara to create the eyelash extension effect. Now, somebody from Flawless Me Cosmetics reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try this product and share it with you guys. And I said, of course, definitely send it over. I'll try it out. They did tell me that they would send me some extras so that way I can give them away to you guys. However, that didn't come in the package. I did email them and we'll see what happens with that. So if anything, you guys will see a giveaway from me later, including those products if they do send them over. They only sent this one for me to try out for you guys. So this set here is $25. And what it says is, it's HD mascara to create fuller, longer, and thicker lashes. This unique mascara brush design lifts and sculpts lashes without pulling or tugging, adds volume and definition to lashes. Water-resistant formula won't smudge or clump. Lash thickener conditions lashes and extends wearability of mascara. Lash thickener coats, builds, and separates lashes, and it's suitable for sensitive eyes. And then they have that picture there of a before and after. So we are gonna try and see. So this is what this looks like. So one is the lash thickener and the other one is the mascara. So I don't know which one is supposed to come. Oh, okay, here we go. So first apply one coat of lash thickener to lashes and apply HD Lashes mascara over it immediately after applying lash thickener. So let's go with the lash thickener first. Let's do one eye first. All right, so this is what that looks like. So I guess it's like the fibers and stuff, but it looks like this moussey white thing. All right, so here we go. It does smell. It has a really strong smell. I'm not exactly sure what this is doing, but now we're gonna apply the lash mascara. This is pretty clumpy in my opinion, but we'll see. All right, guys, so that is that eye. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next eye and then I'm gonna tell you what I think. So again, with the white creamy stuff, to the left eye this time. Okay, guys. So here is the lashes. All right, first of all, this does nothing different than Essence Mascara or Lash Blowout from IT Cosmetics that you guys know that I really, really love. I'm not saying it's a horrible mascara because it isn't. Like, I see length and that's pretty much all I see. It's a lot of length. However, this lash thickener is an extra step for no reason whatsoever. It's like, it's just making you waste your time, to be honest with you. There is really no reason for this. It's not worth it. I don't think it really does anything, to be honest with you. I mean, you could just apply this and call it a day. I mean, to add an extra step to get the same volume and to get the same effect that I get from Essence Mascara, which is like a third of the price of this, or Lash Blowout, which is around the same price, but it's just one thing and that's all. And on top of that, the lash thickener smells horrendous and it already has me like wanting to cough. So to be honest with you, it's not worth it in my opinion. I wouldn't pay $25 for this mascara. I would rather pay $3, $4 for Essence mascara and get the same, if not better, effect. Let me know what you guys think. All right, my loves, I love you guys and I will see you next time. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye, my loves.